Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy, simple stuffed crab shrimp. Stay tuned. With some colossal shrimp. I got these shrimp from Target actually for about $9. We're using some complete seasoning, some Old Bay, some Cajun seasoning, some garlic and onion seasoning spice blend, some onion powder, and then we're gonna add some olive oil. And then we're just going to give it a good mix to make sure everything gets evenly coated on the shrimp. Now we're going to start to make our crab cake base. I'm basically going to use some of the same exact seasonings that I use to mix the shrimp. This is just about 2 scoops of mayonnaise. Again, the Cajun seasoning, the complete seasoning. But this time we're going to use some chipotle garlic. We're going to add some lemon juice. You can use fresh lemon. I just had this on hand, so I used that instead. And then I'm going to use some habanero pepper sauce. You can just use your favorite traditional hot sauce, of course. Then here is our crab meat. This is claw meat. I also got this from Target for a good price. This was only $14.99. And then we're going to add some panko bread crumbs. And we're going to give that a good mix. Now with this, you just want to take like a quarter size amount and just stick it in between the shrimp, between the tail and then the body of the shrimp, and then lay the shrimp down flat. I didn't show it, but I did split the back of the shrimp so it can lay flatter. This is just me adding some scallions on top, and then just look at how that came out. I put these in the oven on 385 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. And then this was the end product. This is just me spreading some garlic butter over the top just to give it that razzle dazzle. And then this is how it ended up looking. They were super good. Like I said, it was super easy. The ingredients are very minimal. I really hope you guys enjoy it. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Get with the liquid. Get with the lick like lick.